Hello my darlings, it's Dion Dean back with another video. You know what? I decided I'm going to let you guys in on a little secret. I'm addicted to the Dollar Tree. I'm at the Dollar Tree probably 2 to 3 times a week, and sometimes if there's a new one in town, I'll travel to that one just to see the inventory, just to see what's going on. But for real, you know, being a small business owner, you know, keeping your budgets down, keeping your expenses down, I should say. Excuse me. You learn how to, you know, cut corners a little bit. And so the Dollar Tree is where I cut corners, as far as the business is concerned. If there are little household things, that I want, I'll, you know, stop in a Dollar Tree and look and see if they have it, because they have a lot of good stuff. So I said, you know what? There may be some other Dollar Tree shoppers out there, and, you know, I need to start a club or something. I just want to let y'all know I'm down with the club. I love a Dollar Tree. So I'm going in for a little shopping, a little to-do. So I said, let me bring you guys with me. So let's go shopping the Dollar Tree. I really love to do love notes. So I get all of my thank you cards at the Dollar Tree because they're 8 for $1. So I know that some people like to buy in bulk. I know they sell them on bulk on eBay, but I really like the look of these. These are my favorite. Let me see. They have a bunch. You have to check too, because some of them will say thanks, and then they'll have a little note on the back or in the card. These ones I like because they're blank on the inside. So I like to send a little love note just saying thank you for your purchase. Here's some more down here with many thanks. And some sell 6, some come in 8. I always get the 8-pack. Your thoughtfulness meant a lot to me, so that's in there. Well, here's some, a little glittery, 6, blank on the inside. So yeah, thank you notes are one of the first things I grab at the Dollar Tree. They only have 2 left, so let me grab these. I haven't seen these before. These are just blank cards. These are really cute. And it says that they're originally $3.25, and here they're $1. Who knows if I'm telling the truth or not. But I really like that one. I'm a creature of habits, so once I find something I like, I typically stick to them. So I probably won't get any of these. But once again, thank you cards. $1. And of course, let me tell you something. If you have a birthday and you're expecting a card from me, it's coming straight from here, honey. Am I the only one? Probably not. Probably not. So there are some stickers that I use. Oh, I love this. Look at this. I need a nap. Yes, honey, that's me. There are some stickers that I use for my inventory, and so I haven't found them in this particular store. But yeah, it's something that I use. Markers. Whenever I am marking my stickers, I use markers. And I mean, where else are you going to find Sharpies? They're dry erase, but you have some like Sharpies over here for $1. You can't beat that. Pens. I don't know who's buying pens at the regular store anymore. Not me. Oh, they do have Sharpies. Okay, they have the red and the black. So let me see, because I really want to find these stickers. So here are the stickers. They're kind of the ones that I'm talking about, but not really. Let's see, sometimes they're hidden, that I use. I'll show you when I get back in the office, the stickers that I use for my inventory system. But, you know, if you can find them, just buy all of them because they're so useful. I could use these, but, yeah, I like the ones that I found at that other, Dollar Tree. But yeah, look at all this office stuff. Oh my gosh, absolutely the best. These hooks are the best. I was looking at the ones in Target, I don't know what you call them, the traditional sticky hook things. I know that's not the name, but I found these, and you know what? They work. When I go to the office, I'm going to show you how I use them, because they don't take off the paint. I'm not necessarily wanting to do nails. Of course, they do have nails, and it looks a little dry here. I feel like they had like tool set type stuff. But I don't necessarily want to put holes in my wall and have my landlord go in on me. So I got these. I'll show you how I'm using when I get into the office. Okay, so once again, if you're on Poshmark, the tissue and the ribbon and all that kind of stuff that's like Poshmark friendly, you can get here. Also, if you go to Target after Valentine's, Christmas, and all those big holidays, Easter, they actually have a better deal. You get like, I'll show you at the office, but you get a whole lot of tissue paper for like $1. I'll show you when we get to the office. I got you. Okay guys, so back at the office, and I wanted to show you, remember the wall hangers that I was talking about? Well, this is how I use it. There are items that are too small for my mannequin. Say hi, Manica. So what I do is I put it up on a hanger, and this hanger actually did come from the Dollar Tree. They have them 3 for $1 in various Dollar Trees. This one didn't have one. But what I do is, and don't judge me because I haven't steamed this yet, as you can see, my steamer over here. So what I'll do is I'll just hang it up on the wall and take a picture of it like this. For me, like I said, I'm not really wanting to put nails in the wall. There's nails here, and it looks like somebody put a nail there, and I'm not trying to give my landlord any of my security deposit when I leave. So for me, it's just easier to use this and stick it on the wall. And I've actually moved it to different areas just for better lighting all over here. And as you can see, there are no markings on the wall. So that's how I use the hangers from Dollar Tree. So as you can see, I've been working hard on inventorying and getting everything situated. And I have some paper. I'm going to show you the tissue paper. So this is the paper. Remember I was talking about buying paper at the Dollar Tree? Excuse the mess. I am still working it out. But I actually got this paper. Let me get a clean one. Let's see. Oh Lord, I don't want to have to make a mess. I actually got this paper on sale from Target when they were having their Christmas sale, their Christmas clearance. And so I'm actually going to go back because I'm pretty sure they have some Valentine's Day paper as well. But at the Dollar Tree, they sell 25 pieces for $1 or 25 sheets. This, I got 90 sheets for, I want to say 90 cents, if not 50 cents. And so if you have a Target in your area, Walmart, whatever, you know, stock up on paper. As you can see, I got lots and lots of paper. But let's talk about this. So the stickers, these are the stickers that I use to inventory. I didn't find them at this particular Dollar Tree. I'm gonna have to go to another one because I love these stickers. Let me show you how I use them. So this has been 126 to 155. So this is a sticker. This is one of the types of stickers that I use, and I basically just fold it up, label it with the number, and stick it in here. So that's one type of sticker that I use. Let me see if I can find one of the circular stickers and move my steamer out the way. Okay, hold on. Get my tape out the way. I'm still trying to figure out how to do like a mailing station. That's next on the list. So here is a blouse that I have folded up and inventoried, and so there you see a $2.50. So yeah, it just helps with labeling, and like I said, it's something that you can get at the Dollar Tree. Yeah, I love the Dollar Tree for this type of stuff. And yeah, so stickers, labels, tape. I would not get the Dollar Tree tape only because it's just really hard. Like if it falls back on its track, it's really hard to get off. So I wouldn't do the Dollar Tree tape. I stick to Scotch tape as far as shipping and labeling. But yeah, that's it. So yeah guys, that's it for my Dollar Tree haul. Did I even show you guys what I got? I got those cards, and then I got a pair of scissors because I just need a pair of scissors here just in case there are any like light snags or threading on some of the less expensive items. Sometimes we have like a loose thread, and so I needed some scissors here. The longer I'm here, the more time that I spend in the office, the more things that I realize I need, and so I'm so glad that a Dollar Tree is like around the corner. So thumbs up to this video, and leave a comment below if you want to see more of my Dollar Tree shop with me's. I literally will pop this phone out every other day because I'm always in the Dollar Tree. I have to go back, or I have to have to go to another Dollar Tree to look for those labels because 60 of them come in a pack, and so 60 labels for $1 is like a steal. And I really like them. They stay on and they tape to the Sharpie really, really well, and so I have to go get that and some other things. I mean, I always find something in the Dollar Tree. Am I the only one that's addicted? I hope not, because I will travel far and wide for a Dollar Tree grand opening. So don't judge me. Don't judge me. All right, love you. We never pay retail. Like I said, if you want to see another Dollar Tree video, or if you love the Dollar Tree like I do, thumbs up this video, and I will definitely be bringing you more of my Dollar Tree Big Lots. Haven't been to Five Below, but we can go there too because I'm all about that frugal life. Remember, we never pay retail. Bye.